Welcome to our woodworking channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of birdhouse projects. Building a birdhouse is not only a wonderful way to enhance your backyard but also a rewarding woodworking experience. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you create beautiful birdhouses that attract feathered friends to your garden. Birdhouses provide shelter for birds, especially during nesting season. They can also help control insect populations and support local wildlife. By creating a birdhouse, you're contributing to your local ecosystem and providing a safe haven for birds. Plus, watching birds visit your creation can be a fulfilling experience. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stick around until the end for some bonus tips on attracting birds to your new birdhouses. Before we start building, let's gather our tools. You'll need some basic woodworking tools, including a saw, drill, measuring tape, and sandpaper. Don't worry if you don't have all the fancy equipment. Many birdhouses can be made with just a few essential tools. Safety gear like goggles and gloves is also recommended. Next up, let's talk about materials. For a basic birdhouse, you'll need untreated wood, such as pine or cedar. Avoid treated wood, as chemicals can be harmful to birds. Additionally, gather screws or nails, wood glue, and exterior paint or wood stain for finishing. These materials are easy to find at your local hardware store. Now, let's choose a design for your birdhouse. There are countless designs available online, ranging from simple boxes to intricate structures. For beginners, I recommend starting with a straightforward design. A simple birdhouse typically features a front entrance, a sloped roof, and a base for stability. Once you have your design, it's time to measure and cut your wood. Use a measuring tape to mark your cuts accurately, ensuring that all pieces fit together well. A miter saw or circular saw works best for straight cuts. Remember to double-check your measurements before cutting to avoid mistakes. With your pieces cut, it's time to assemble the birdhouse. Start by attaching the sides to the base using screws or nails. Make sure everything is aligned properly. After securing the sides, attach the back and front panels, leaving space for the entrance hole. Once the structure is together, add the roof, ensuring it overhangs slightly to protect the entrance from rain. Now, let's create the entrance hole. The size of the hole will depend on the type of birds you want to attract. For example, a hole about 1.5 inches in diameter is suitable for wrens, while a larger hole is needed for bluebirds. Use a drill to create the entrance hole, making sure it's smooth to avoid harming the birds. After the assembly, it's time to sand the edges and surfaces of the birdhouse. Sanding helps to remove any rough spots that could injure birds. Once you're satisfied with the smoothness, you can paint or stain the birdhouse. Use non-toxic, water-based products to keep it safe for your feathered friends. A good birdhouse needs ventilation and drainage to keep the interior comfortable. Drill a few small holes in the bottom for drainage and a couple near the top for ventilation. This will help maintain a stable environment for the birds inside, especially during hot summer months. Once your birdhouse is complete, it's time to find the perfect spot to mount it. Ideally, place it in a quiet area, away from heavy foot traffic and predators. Mounting it at least 5 to 10 feet off the ground is recommended. You can use a post or tree branch, ensuring it's stable and secure. After installation, take some time to think about maintenance. Birdhouses should be cleaned out at the end of each nesting season to prepare for new occupants. Use a gentle brush to remove old nesting materials and check for any damage that may need repair. To attract birds to your new birdhouse, consider adding bird feeders and native plants nearby. This creates a welcoming environment for birds. Patience is key. It may take some time for birds to discover your birdhouse, but once they do, you'll have the joy of watching them thrive. Thank you for joining me today on this woodworking adventure. Building birdhouses is a fun and rewarding project that anyone can tackle. Not only do you get to hone your woodworking skills, but you also create a beautiful home for birds. I hope this guide inspires you to start your own birdhouse project. Don't forget to share your creations and experiences in the comments below. With the right tools and materials, you can embark on this journey with confidence. The experience of crafting something with your hands is both meditative and fulfilling. Each birdhouse you create can be a unique expression of your creativity. As you refine your skills, you may find yourself experimenting with different designs and styles. The joy of woodworking lies not just in the finished product but in the process itself. Every cut, every joint, and every finish adds to your understanding of the craft. Moreover, sharing your love for woodworking with friends and family can inspire them to join you in this rewarding hobby. As you become more comfortable with building birdhouses, consider exploring more complex projects. You could design multi-chambered houses or even themed birdhouses that reflect your personality or interests. The possibilities are endless. Engaging with your local community can also enhance your woodworking journey. Look for workshops or clubs where you can connect with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Sharing tips and techniques can help you grow as a craftsman while fostering a sense of camaraderie. Ultimately, the most important aspect of this journey is to enjoy the process. Whether it's the satisfaction of a well-cut piece of wood or the thrill of spotting a bird in your newly built house, these moments are what make woodworking truly special. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and start building birdhouses that will not only beautify your space but also create a sanctuary for the birds around you. Happy woodworking! Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of birdhouse building and found inspiration to create your own unique projects. If you found the information helpful and engaging, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking content, as well as tips and tricks that can enhance your skills. Your likes and shares mean a lot to us and help spread the joy of woodworking to others who might be interested. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on exciting new projects. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll explore even more creative ideas together.